Welcome to Crispberry Kitchen. So today we're going to make our very tasty besan laddus. So let's see how to make it. Here I have 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to powder it along with 3 cardamoms. So I have made fine powdered sugar in my blender. So here I'm heating a heavy bottom non-stick kadai and I'm adding half cup of ghee to it. And always remember to keep it on low flame. To this I'm adding about 2 cups of besan flour or Kadala Maavu as we call it. As soon as you add the flour to the ghee, keep mixing it continuously. Keep on mixing it. You may see lumps forming like this. It doesn't matter. Just break the lumps with your spatula. After about 15 to 20 minutes, it starts thickening like this. Just keep stirring. At this stage, we'll add a pinch of edible camphor, or we call it pachakarpuram. Just crush and make a powder of it before adding it into the mixture. Mix it well and continue cooking. So this means the ghee has slowly started separating. Now you can see a layer of ghee forming on top of the mixture. So keep mixing it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So when you see this consistency, you can add your powdered sugar. It's still on low flame. Just add sugar and keep mixing it until it's fully combined. In another 2 minutes, it gets completely combined. At that stage, you can turn off the heat. In a seasoning pan, I'm taking some ghee. And I'm gonna roast few cashews in it. This is completely optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Roast it until it turns golden brown. So now we'll start making laddus. So first grease your palm with some ghee. We need to start making laddus while it's hot. So if you're not able to touch it, just use a plate like this and roll it. After rolling it, just place the roasted cashew over it. So now that the heat is slightly come down, it's become easier for me to roll it with my bare hands without using a plate. Roll it as quick as possible before the mixture loses heat. Otherwise, it might become difficult to roll it. And so our very tasty laddus are ready to eat. So enjoy!